I'm back with another shirt. This one I thought was really inspiring. It says, "Be stronger than your excuses," and has like little dumbbells here and some really cute details, which I enjoy. Honestly, I thought this was really inspiring because so many times we make excuses as to why we can't do things, and going to the gym is one of those things. And this just really motivated me. So I took it upon myself to get it, and I'm hoping, oh, Kenzie, she's knocking stuff, hoping to inspire other people. But I also really think that the colors are so cute, and the font that they use is very cute. And I'm kind of thinking I wouldn't have to wear these only to the gym. I could wear them out and about because sometimes I do like to be a little casual, and I think that these are very cute. You can also pick multiple colors. So I picked, this is the black, and my next one is gray. But the black, which I thought was cute, but it's not like dark plain black, like it's kind of weathered, which adds a nice touch. On to the next one.